People aren't going to dye test their toilets just randomly on a maintenance schedule. However, when it does start to make noise, do something about it right away. If it's making noise when you're not flushing it, even if it is only every 4 hours, it's on its way to having bigger problems. Do something about that now so we can get it fixed, and then we can save that water rather than most folks going, well, I didn't really call because it went off every 2 hours, but now it's going off every 15 minutes. Well, in between there, you've still wasted thousands and thousands of gallons of water. So preventative wise, you could dye test it just to see. Most folks aren't going to do that. But again, when it starts making noise, do something about it sooner rather than later.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.